Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression or a proverb as well, and that is the early bird catches worm. The early bird catches worm, which means being first improves the chances of success. इसको हम उर्दू में पहले आइए पहले पाइए, यानी जो पहले मेहनत करता है या पहले काम करता है उसको कामयाबी भी पहले मिलती है. How we are going to use it in sentences like you will win the prize because the early bird catches the worm. So we have used here the early bird catches the worm. Here is another sentence or situation. This is still a nation that believes the early bird catches the worm. So once again we have used here early bird catches the worm. So this is an idiom or a proverb we are using into the situations or sentences.